Good morning, teacher. Good morning, class. My name is Jaime Diaz. On my last vacation, I was in the city of Cartagena with my wife. The first day we arrived at the hotel, we were local in front of the set. A great beauty, great head, and spectacular bright white eyes with and wow elsewhere with going white. The two of four went along to rest, and of course, when arrived at the hotel, we chant, went out have breakfast went well around of on the hotel, well, and had something to quench our feet. What I've waiting go to Seat Jets. We went to the Seat after time were in the Seat to I think and drink cocktail, and at the end of the afternoon we were right on cruise that took us to charming islands. With hands, many beautiful fish there. The sea was at unicolor and foot of matty